Welcome to the NewsRamp Business and Corporate Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, and I'm thrilled to have you with us today. NewsRamp.com curates the latest business news from leading newswires, bringing you the most relevant stories to keep you informed and inspired. Now, a quick note before we dive in. While this podcast is produced with the assistance of AI and AI voices, rest assured that the stories we're sharing are very real, and the complete news stories can be found at newsramp.com. It's Thursday morning, July 10th, 2025, and we have a lineup of business and corporate headlines and stories that you won't want to miss. So grab your coffee, lace up those running shoes, or settle into your favorite chair, and let's get started. Here is our first headline. From fighting inflammation to regenerating cells, how Jupiter Neurosciences is putting the pep back in our step as we age. Jupiter Neurosciences, a clinical-stage pharmaceutical company, is developing drugs to treat neuroinflammation, focusing on CNS disorders like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. They also have a direct-to-consumer longevity product line called Nujivia, with formulations targeting mitochondrial support, mental clarity, and beauty from within. The company's Jotrol, an enhanced resveratrol formulation, aims to deliver safe levels of resveratrol with promising results. CEO Krista Rosen discussed the company's strategy, emphasizing the potential of addressing inflammation and cell regeneration in CNS diseases and the booming longevity market. Nujivia products will be available for sale in the third quarter, tapping into the growing demand for anti-aging solutions. Royalty Management Holding Corporation completes block repurchase of common stock. Royalty Management Holding Corporation has completed a block repurchase of common stock, with 193,052 shares repurchased to date. These shares will be canceled and removed from the company's outstanding shares. The company recently closed on a structured purchase of 161,875 shares of common stock, adding to its repurchases through open market transactions. All repurchased shares, totaling 193,052 shares so far, will be retired and removed from the outstanding share count. CEO Thomas Sov stated that this share repurchase program aims to increase shareholder value by reducing the number of shares outstanding, with approximately 1.3% of shares already removed. Royalty Management Holding Corporation is focused on acquiring and developing high-value assets in various industries to benefit both shareholders and communities.
Labyrinth unveils AI model to eliminate red tape and accelerate American innovation. Labyrinth, a new AI-native company backed by Infinity Constellation and Invisible Technologies, aims to revolutionize permitting, compliance, and regulatory approvals across industries. Led by entrepreneur Stuart Lacey, Labyrinth's AI platform accelerates development in construction, property, energy, and more by cutting through red tape with speed and transparency. By leveraging AI trained on regulatory precedent and human expertise, Labyrinth streamlines applications, reviews, and economic impact. With a seasoned team including experts from Amazon and Cisco, Labyrinth is poised to bring real-world progress by reducing delays, costs, and risks for builders and developers. Their transparent AI model ensures trust, clarity, and impact, transforming the regulatory landscape for economic growth and innovation. Telvantis Inc. signs binding LOI to acquire Americrew. Deal marks milestone acquisition to enter multi-billion-dollar high-growth market. First step to building integrated fiber, wireless, and edge data center infrastructure provider. Telvantis Inc., formerly Roder Inc., has signed a binding letter of intent to acquire Americrew Inc., marking a milestone acquisition to enter the high-growth fiber, wireless, and edge data center market. Americrew operates on a unique veteran employment model, and the combined companies plan to expand rapidly in the U.S. The edge computation market is projected to grow at over 30% annually, reaching $43 billion by 2030. Americrew's entities are expected to exceed $12 million in revenues this year, with higher expectations for 2026. No common equity will be issued in the transaction, and the acquired entities will retain their management team. Telvantis CEO Daniel Contreras sees this as a game-changing opportunity to accelerate growth and strengthen the company's position in the industry. Stay tuned for more updates from Telvantis in the coming weeks. Healthcare Triangle secures major health system contracts and expands AI-powered EHR services nationwide. Healthcare Triangle Inc. secures major health system contracts and expands AI-powered EHR services nationwide. The company announced strategic customer wins with a California-based university medical system and Georgia's largest hospital system, enhancing ambulatory, inpatient, and pharmacy services. These wins highlight HCTI's expertise in cloud DevOps, managed services, and healthcare automation. Additionally, HCTI introduces Readable.ai, an AI medical document automation platform, improving clinician productivity and driving better outcomes. The company is also exploring Epic workflow integrations for community health systems, aiming to enhance clinical efficiency and bring enterprise-grade performance to underserved networks. With a focus on growth, innovation, and strategic partnerships, HCTI is positioned as a trusted innovation partner in the healthcare industry. Johns Hopkins alumni's Somnair raises $4.3 million to develop sleep apnea device. Somnair, founded by Johns Hopkins alumni, has raised $4.3 million in a seed round to develop a device for managing obstructive sleep apnea. The four co-founders received MS degrees in biodesign from Johns Hopkins. The device, worn in the mouth like a retainer, uses neurostimulation to open the airway and ease breathing. Early results suggest it may help patients who cannot tolerate CPAP treatment. The team found inspiration in anatomy textbooks, targeting a nerve in the mouth that controls muscle activity in the palate and throat. This non-invasive approach aims to provide a solution for the estimated 54 million Americans suffering from obstructive sleep apnea.
Beeline Inc., to be featured on Inside the Blueprint Chicago. Beeline Inc., a premier provider of medical-grade commercial cleaning services, will be featured on Inside the Blueprint Chicago. The award-winning television series showcases innovative products, services, and technologies transforming industries nationwide. Founded on the principle that a clean environment drives better outcomes, Beeline stands out with a highly trained workforce and a medical-grade approach to cleaning. Viewers will get an exclusive look at Beeline's advanced disinfection protocols, employee expertise, sustainability practices, and customized solutions. CEO Jamie Henry emphasizes the importance of cleanliness and safety in operational success. Inside the Blueprint highlights companies redefining best practices in various industries. To learn more about Beeline Inc. services and watch the segment, visit their website.
Strategic integration of AI-powered digital banking engagement helps Extra Credit Union generate $12.7 million in deposits, earn 2025 Techie Award for revenue growth. Warren-based Extra Credit Union has won the 2025 Finnipotamus Techie Award for revenue growth, generating over $12.7 million in new deposits through their partnership with DeepTarget. The credit union faced challenges in growing deposits amid rising interest rates and competition, utilizing DeepTarget's AI-powered digital banking engagement to deliver personalized loan and CD offers. This strategic integration resulted in a 7.66% click-through rate, 1,092 new CD accounts, and over $12.7 million in deposits in 2024. CEO of DeepTarget, Preetha Pulusani, emphasized the impact of intelligent targeting and digital engagement on revenue growth, highlighting the transformation of digital banking into a powerful revenue engine. Financial institutions looking to enhance their digital engagement can learn more about DeepTarget's AI-powered platform at www.deeptarget.com.
M5 Crown of Beauty LLC, now accepting appointments at the Salon and Spa Galleria Fort Worth Highway in Weatherford, Texas. Marquita Montgomery's passion for beauty has led her to open M5 Crown of Beauty LLC at the Salon and Spa Galleria Weatherford in Texas. With a focus on healthy hair and personalized style, Montgomery offers a variety of services including shampoos, color, braids, and more. Her mission is to empower clients to feel seen, valued, and confidently crowned. The M in the business name honors her family, while the 5 represents her husband and 3 daughters. New clients can enjoy a 20% discount on their second service. Book an appointment at Montgomery's site and follow M5 Crown of Beauty LLC on Instagram and Facebook. Located near major roadways with free parking and handicap accessibility, M5 Crown of Beauty LLC is now accepting appointments for a superior salon experience. Truck IT Partners and Bolton Capital partner to help dump truck haulers grow. Truck IT, a technology provider for the bulk hauling supply chain, has partnered with Bolton Capital to help dump truck haulers improve cash flow and grow their businesses. By combining Bolton Capital's rapid payment capabilities with Truckit's digital platform, users can now seamlessly transition from job completion to payment. Accession Distribution, based in Riverdale, GA, has already benefited from this partnership, receiving funding within 4 to 5 hours. The program is tailored for companies in construction, waste, agricultural, or energy industries that need fast cash for working capital. With the dump truck services segment estimated at $30 billion in 2024, the partnership aims to support operators in streamlining workflows and increasing efficiency. To apply, visit Bolton Capital's website and fill out a short form.
Lavish Event Rentals expands to Orlando as a luxury leader. Lavish Event Rentals, Florida's premier destination for luxury event furnishings, has expanded to Orlando, bringing exclusive collections from Hermes, Versace, and more to Central Florida. Lavish offers custom-built pieces and timeless designs by influential creatives like Philippe Starck and Frank Gehry. Known for shaping memorable events for luxury brands like Aston Martin and Louis Vuitton, Lavish continues to raise the bar with unique statement pieces such as its customizable mirror DJ table. With in-house fabrication, Lavish maintains creative control over its collections, offering Pantone-matched finishes and brand-specific details. This expansion marks just the beginning for Lavish, as they aim to bring creativity, craftsmanship, and sophistication to more cities in the future. Layer raises $6.6 million, led by Emergence Capital. Layer, the leading embedded accounting platform for small and medium-sized business SMB software, has raised $6.6 million in seed funding led by Emergence Capital, with participation from Better Tomorrow Ventures, BTV. The new capital will accelerate Layer's mission to seamlessly integrate accounting into the software platforms that SMBs already use to run their daily operations. SMBs are increasingly relying on industry-specific software platforms to manage everything from payments and customer communication to payroll, all in one place. Layer solves this by enabling SMB software platforms to embed accounting and bookkeeping directly into their products. With an AI-powered bookkeeping service, Layer reduces the cost of bookkeeping by half and closes books 3 times faster. The company plans to expand into additional SMB verticals and enhance its AI-powered bookkeeping platform by enabling unique tailoring to the needs of each industry it serves.
Q&A with Krish Chopra, founder and CEO of NP Hub. Krish Chopra, founder and CEO of NP Hub, aims to streamline the nurse practitioner's career life cycle by helping NP students find preceptors and clinical rotation opportunities to transition into full-time jobs. With an expected shortage of 180,000 physicians in the next decade, the U.S. healthcare system is hiring more nurse practitioners, with numbers estimated to grow by 45% from 2021 to 2032. NP Hub has successfully helped 8,500 NP students from over 240 programs find clinical placements and has been named one of the country's fastest-growing private companies on the Inc. 5000 list for 2 years. NP Hire, the company's new platform, matches graduates with full-time jobs and already has 6,500-plus candidates actively looking for roles. Edison Partners recently invested $20 million in NP Hub to further enhance their technology and support for NPs throughout their careers.
Q&A with Will Bartholomew, founder of D1 Sports Training. Will Bartholomew, founder of D1 Sports Training, established the company in 2001 in Nashville, TN. With a background in sports, including playing fullback at the University of Tennessee, Will's vision for D1 has led to over 150 training locations nationwide. D1 has been recognized by Men's Health as a top 30 gym and one of the 50 fastest-growing companies. Will's involvement in the community extends beyond D1, and he is part of the Young President organization. D1 Training offers athletic-based fitness programs for all ages, focusing on sports performance and personal fitness. With a franchise model, D1 is evolving to meet the changing needs of franchisees through data-led innovation, dashboards for tracking performance metrics, and high-touch onboarding support. D1 is investing in digital infrastructure and coach education to enhance the athlete experience. The demand for purpose-driven fitness concepts like D1 is strong, as consumers seek a deeper connection to their fitness routines and a sense of identity. Success as a franchise system and owner in today's market requires accountability, strong staffing and development, and building relationships to drive results. Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Business and Corporate Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.